All right, let's fire this thing up. All right, guys, let's flip it over, and I want to set it up on these sawhorses. Well, good deal, you made it. Hi, I'm John Graviskis. It's great to have you working around the boat with us again. This piece of fiberglass right here, this is what's called the gunnel cap to the boat, and literally it caps the hull of the vessel when it's set in place. And the particular craft that it belongs to is this baby right here. This is our 1976 21-foot Seabird project boat. And take a look at some of the core material that's inside this gunnel cap. Notice that it's been replaced. Well, that's because the original core material was rotted. It was end-grain balsa core. We had to kind of dig it and cut it all out in order to put this new core material right here into place. In fact, there's been a tremendous amount of core material that's been replaced to this vessel, and rather than it going to the scrap heap, we wanted to keep this baby around and make it pristine again, because it's actually one of the best riding 21-footers I've ever been in. We've replaced the transom. We've put in a new below-deck stringer system on the vessel. We've also put in a brand new deck. And today on ShipShape TV, we're going to be continuing on with the restoration by showing you how to bond this piece of fiberglass to the fiberglass hull using a special type of adhesive called a methacrylate. Now, a methacrylate actually fuses pieces together, and you get an exceptional bond on a very strategic joint on the boat. I'm talking about something called the hull to deck joint. Now, we're naturally going to need to use some stainless steel fasteners in order to hold this thing into place as well. And then what we're going to get into is we're going to actually fabricate some supports for this gunnel cap, and we're going to make them out of the same lightweight material, this PVC foam material that we used for the decks. And hopefully, if I make these things right, we'll get them to double as some rod holders. But before we can get into any of this stuff, shoot, you know the drill by now. See, we need to work out a little trade-off. We've got to get all of you to spend the next 30 minutes with us right here on the water's edge. And then in exchange, with again the help of a few of my very knowledgeable friends in the marine industry, we're all going to pull together in order to do our very best to let you in on a few more ways to make your boat shipshape.
ShipShape TV, America's favorite boat improvement show.